Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Mir. I'm the founder of Scale Fortune. Today in this video, I will be discussing about mistakes that Amazon sellers need to avoid in 2022. The first mistake and the most common one is that most of the sellers, they choose the oversaturated niche or the wrong product. So most of the sellers have problems with selecting the product. So the product selection, product development, and the sourcing, these three components are most important, and they cover up to 60% of your product's success. So if you select the product properly by doing the sourcing very well and choosing the supplier with great terms, then you are likely to become successful as a Amazon private label seller in 2022. So always remember that product selection, product development, and product sourcing, these three components are the most important in Amazon private label. The second mistake that I have noticed myself is that Amazon sellers are not putting effort on their Amazon product listing. So in the product listing, if you check out the images or the EBC or the A+ content, that's not up to the mark, and most of the people ignore doing their trademarks or brand registry to get the option of EBC or A+ content, or adding the video on their PDP, it means the product display page. So if you are missing these key components on your product listing, then you are definitely not going to have sales, even if you have a better quality of your product. And if you do not work on that, then you might miss your sales, and your competitors are most likely to get your sales from Amazon. So you have to make top-notch product photos, and also focus on the video. And I would suggest that have 5 to 7 photos ready for your Amazon listing. Get your EBC done before time, and also have a 15 to 25 seconds video for your Amazon listing, so that you can later on run the video ads through PPC as well, and it gives a lot of amount of sales for your listing. The next mistake that many sellers do is they choose the overpriced shipping options. By overpriced means that if they are going to send 3,000 units to FBA, they will choose by air. Obviously by air is expensive than by sea, so I always suggest that if you have large amount of inventories, always use by sea. And if you are going out of stock while you are selling on Amazon, then you may order by air to reduce the chances of going out of stock. But if you are a new seller and selling on Amazon for the first time, then you have to select the option of by sea, so that your profit margins will not reduce, and you don't have to minimize the product price, and it would be costly for you. So you always need to have a good balance between your margins and your shipping options. So always choose by sea option if you have a lot of inventory to send to Amazon FBA. The fourth mistake that many Amazon sellers do is they do not launch the product properly. So once their product is live on Amazon, they do not run the right strategies for PPC or to rank their product, so that they can get profits out of it. So most of the people, what they do is they run random strategies or run all type of campaigns initially, and they just don't focus on the Amazon's algorithm, and they destroy their sales by running awful ranking strategies, or you can say launching strategies. So always focus on one of the strategies. Do not run all the campaigns, it's not necessary. I always start with manual campaigns like exact campaign and with fixed bids. So I always prefer the Amazon sellers to do that, so that you can build the relevancy at the start. And in the start, I would say that profits are not that important, but sales are. But later on, once you develop the sales history, and once you start teaching the Amazon's algorithm, then you can, later on get the profits after 2 or 3 months. So yeah, first focus on the strategy, and your profits will be developing sooner once you are, well ranked and you have, sustained the sales. So focus on launching your product properly. The fifth and the last mistake that I have seen is the inventory mismanagement. So most of the people, they do not do the research before launching the product, so they randomly order the inventory. Let's say if the average sales in a niche is around 500 units per month, they will order altogether 1,000 units per month, 1,000 units overall inventory to get going. So it's not the right strategy to manage your inventory. I would say that choose your competitors, maybe 3 to 4, and then check their average sales, and then order the inventory for 3 to 4 months, so that you are not going out of stock again and again. So because you are ordering your inventory from China, and it takes around 1 to 3 months to reach your Amazon FBA warehouse, so it's a time-taking process. So that's why you have to prepare your inventory for a few months, like 3 to 4 months. So that's a good strategy to go with the inventory. Do not order just for only 1 month. So if you order for 1 month, you will be going out of stock sooner, so that will cost your business. So I hope this video will help you and to minimize these mistakes. And please subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.